Hello guys, welcome to Food Fun and Facts with Varsha. Today I am making tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken is a kind of Indianized chicken barbecue which has tangy and spicy flavor and it tastes really good. And this is one of the chicken recipe which is very commonly ordered in Indian restaurants. Traditionally it is made in a big mud oven which is called tandoor, but today I'm going to show you how to make it in regular Indian oven. So let's see what we need for this. Here I have chicken drumsticks or chicken thighs. As you can see, I have removed the skin. We need yogurt, non-flavored yogurt, and whole cream yogurt is preferred. Here I have crushed ginger and garlic. You can use ginger garlic paste if you want. We need 1 lime, tandoori barbecue masala, which you can get at any Indian grocery store, chunky chaat masala or any chaat masala. This is optional, you can skip if you want. We need oil, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, and red color. This is also optional, but red color gives a very nice bright color to this and it looks really good. So let's start the very first step. So for the first step, I will make vertical slits into chicken like this, and then as you can see, this is how I will make slits into chicken. This is so that all the spices nicely goes into chicken. Now as you can see, all the chicken legs have these slits as I have made. As you can see. Now it's time to prepare the marination. So I will first add whole milk non-flavored yogurt to this. I will add ginger garlic, crushed ginger garlic, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder, and now it's time to add chicken barbecue masala. Basically I'm mixing everything together, and the proportion of all the spices is according to your own taste. And at the end I'm gonna add lime juice which I have squeezed. We'll add oil to it, and now it's time to mix with everything with hands. So I have mixed all the spices together. Now I'm gonna add food color in it. As I told you, it's completely optional. You can, if you want, you can skip it. After this, I'll keep it for marination for almost 1 hour. It's always good to marinate longer. If you marinate it for overnight, it's even better. But I'm gonna marinate just for 1 hour because I have to cook it. So this chicken was in the marination for almost 1 hour. So now it's time to put that in the oven. So as I told you, we will be making this tandoori chicken in regular oven, and as you can see there are 2 chambers. I'm not gonna put my chicken in any baking tray or anything, because what happens is when chicken is inside oven, it oozes out water, and when water is with chicken, this water boils and it tastes like boiled chicken, which we don't want. That's why I want that water to go away. So that's why what we do, I'm gonna put chicken pieces on the top and poke the top aluminum foil with knife so that there are small holes and the water which oozes out from chicken goes in the bottom chamber, so that water doesn't stay with the chicken. So that's the whole purpose. So now I'm gonna put the chicken pieces in the oven. By the way, oven is already hot, so be careful. Now all the chicken pieces are on the top chamber. I'm gonna poke this aluminum foil and make small holes. As I told you, the purpose is water should drain down in the bottom chamber. So once it's done, we will cook this chicken for almost 20 minutes and we will check it afterwards whether it's cooked or not. Now the chicken was in the oven for almost half an hour and I have just flipped the chicken pieces so that it's evenly cooked, and as you can see, all the water is drained in the bottom chamber and there is not much left on the top chamber. So now the chicken is cooked. I checked it. Now it's ready to serve.